Wi-Fi CCTV versus wired CCTV, which one is actually better? Many people buy Wi-Fi cameras because installation looks easy, until network starts failing, playback starts freezing, or camera goes offline at the wrong time. So which is really better, Wi-Fi CCTV or wired CCTV? Let's talk from real installer experience. First, Wi-Fi CCTV. These cameras connect through wireless internet/network. Popular because easy setup, less cable stress, cheaper installation for some homes. Advantages of Wi-Fi CCTV: easy to install, less wiring around house, flexible camera placement, good for small setups. Disadvantages: depends heavily on network quality. Signal interference can affect video, can go offline during work problems. Less stable for large installations, and trust me, network problems can become security problems. Now, wired CCTV PoE/cable system. This uses Ethernet cable, PoE, or video/power cables directly. Most professional installers still prefer this. Advantages of wired CCTV: more stable connection, better reliability, stronger security, better for long-term recording, excellent for larger buildings, usually smoother playback performance. Disadvantages: more installation work, more cable routing, higher installation stress, harder to relocate later. Which has clearer video. People think Wi-Fi automatically means better quality. Not true. Both can produce clear video depending on camera quality, but wired systems usually maintain stable video better because connection is more reliable. Which survives blackout? Better? This depends on backup power setup, but generally, wired PoE systems connected to central UPS/inverter backup are more reliable during blackout. Wi-Fi systems may fail if router goes off, network disconnects, power fluctuates. Real installer advice: small apartment or temporary setup. Wi-Fi CCTV can work fine. Serious home, office, shop, or long-term security? Most professionals still recommend wired/PoE systems because security should be stable, not dependent on weak signal. Big mistake. Many people they focus only on camera megapixel, but ignore network stability, storage quality, power backup, installation quality, and these matter a lot. Be honest. Would you trust Wi-Fi CCTV or wired CCTV for serious security? And tell us why